Jai Renukamata. Today's topic is where did actually gold come from? In the heart of the Cusco, Peru. Peru is the capital of the mighty Inca Empire. In the 15th and 16th century, stood the Coricancha. Coricancha. It is a temple of the sun. It's the temple of the sun, God some. And the walls of the its walls were covered with the plates of gold, and inside the sacred courtyard, heartbreaking ceremonial garden that life size every plant, every animal, and every shepherd were covered with the solid gold. And the Inca people think that the gold is not the ordinary wealth, and it is the sweat of the sun itself. Across 3000 years earlier, in the Egypt Valley of the Kings, a young pharaoh named Tutankhamun, who ruled around 1332 to 1333, 1332 to 1323 BC, and he was buried inside three three curved coffins, and the innermost coffin was curved with the solid gold of 110.4 kgs. 4 kgs. And ancient Egyptians believed that the direct gold is the flesh of the direct flesh of the god, and especially the Ra sun god Ra. And half the world believes that half the way the Greeks told stories about Midas and the golden fleece across cultures separated by the oceans, and thousands of years there were no contact in between them. And the powerful idea that was emerged, and the gold possibly gold might not be from the earth. They were wrong about the gods, but they were right about the sky. By this script, you will understand why everyone independently come to this conclusion, and you will witness the 2017 event that where you were literally saw that the gold were born, and gold being born, and you discovered why 99% of the earth gold was trapped forever, and beyond our reach. And you will learn the surprising reason gold shines yellow because of the instance relativity. First, let us understand what is a star. Star is a constant battle of two forces. The gravity pulls inward everything to crush it, and the core of the star is so hot and pressurized that nuclear reactions pushes outwards. And for most of the stars, this reaction is balanced. Most of the live stars, this energy, these nuclear forces are balanced, and the nuclear reactions are called the fusion. And the fusion takes small atoms together crush it, and they crush it, and to become the bigger atoms. And hydrogen fuses helium fuses carbon fuses oxygen, and every and the fusions oxygen. And every time fusion creates a heavier atom. Every time fusion creates a heavier atom, and it releases a burst of energy. That energy is what pushes the gravity outwards. and the stars keep doing this repeatedly, heavier and heavier, creating the elements. Each star releases energy. That energy keeps the star alive. But the fusion hits the walls of the iron. Iron is the element of 26 periodic table. When the star core becomes the iron it does not iron. The fusion which kept the star alive for millions of years does not work. Stop working. It does not work, and the core of the star becomes the iron, and it does not release the energy, and here the does not release the energy, and it consumes the energy of the star uh, and without the when the core of the star becomes the iron, it stops working, it stops releasing the energy, and here the gravity wins, and the star's own weight crushes the inward, and it collapses, and it dies. And this is the key point of stars that can build the elements of iron elements up to the iron. This is the key limit that stars requires, that stars can build the elements up to iron. Anything heavier, including the solid, which is elements 79, requires more than extreme, and then what happens inside the ordinary stars. Continuation next video. Thank you.